Here are the simple steps from right now to experiencing success with Insights. Sign up for a free 2-week trial at darklabs.ai/signup. You get full access and there's no payment information required. Then our simple setup wizard will guide you through setting up Insights inside ConnectWise. Once it's installed, get each of your engineers to activate the Insights pod and have them create an account. Then get your engineers to watch our short training videos to find out how and when to use Insights for maximum effect. By the end of your 14-day trial, you'll already be seeing the benefits of Insights and achieving tangible wins. When you're ready to sign up, you can find our pricing on the pricing page. Just let us know that you're ready to proceed and we'll get you on board. It's a 12-month commitment, paid monthly, with a 2-month, no strings attached, complete money-back guarantee. We'll gather some information about the best people to contact about things like implementation and finance, as well as any champions within your company who might be interested in trying new features. For best results, we ask you to appoint a member of staff to implement our suggested best practices to get the best ROI from Insights. We'll ask for regular feedback and suggestions from your users to make sure Insights stays aligned with the needs of your technicians. Every future feature and update to Insights is included on an ongoing basis, and because it's web-based software, it's always up to date, so there's no maintenance required. Then, start reaping the benefits of Insights with more first-time fixes and fewer escalations. Use the form to sign up for a free 2-week trial right now and transform your support process with Insights.